In this video, you will learn the whole process of reverse osmosis RO plant. So let's begin with the parts of RO plant: tap water, feed tank, feed pump, inlet pressure gauge, sand filter with a pressure gauge, carbon filter with a pressure gauge, and water softener with a pressure gauge. Then we have PPC filter, pressure switch, RO pump, membrane filters, wastewater outlet, mineral water outlet, flow meters, and storage tank. Let's begin the process. First of all, the feed tank is filled with tap water. Further, the feed pump will transfer the water from feed tank to the sand filter. Where all the particles separate from the tap water. The process occurs in such a way that water goes in and the opening is in the bottom of the tank. The water travels in upward direction, moves through the sand and goes to the carbon filter. In this way, the whole particles is separated from the tap water. Then comes carbon filter. In the carbon filter, odor and color from the water is removed. The process is same as the water come from the opening below, move through the activated carbon and goes to the water softener. The water softener tank contains cation and anion resins, which separate all the salts and make the water soft so that water can be used for washing purposes, and you can also use this water for other drinking purposes too. Then the water is traveled to the PPC filter where it is further purified. After PPC filter, water goes to pressure switch. When pressure of the water raises to a certain level so that it can travel to the membrane, the switch gives signal to the control panel and it starts the RO pump. The RO pump moves water from membrane filter with very high pressure and it removes all the dissolved substances from it. The mineral water comes from the bottom and the raw water or the wastewater is collected from the top. The flow meters tell us all the flows that is moving through the pipes, and in the end, the mineral water is stored in the storage tank. So this is all for today. Please like and subscribe our channel for further informative videos. Thank you so much.